today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number. Whether you've recently purchased the software or need the information for troubleshooting purposes, keeping track of your QuickBooks license number can be crucial. Let's get started on navigating the QuickBooks website to locate this number efficiently. First, open a web browser of your choice and head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're not already logged in, now would be the perfect time to enter your credentials and access your QuickBooks account. Once you're all set and can see your main dashboard, it's time to move on to the next steps. Direct your attention to the Settings menu, which you'll find within the QuickBooks interface. The layout can occasionally differ slightly depending on updates or your specific account type, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the current arrangement. When you spot the Settings option, give it a click. This will allow us to delve deeper into your QuickBooks account settings. After you've opened the Settings menu, search for a section labeled Additional Information. This section is typically dedicated to providing more in-depth details about your QuickBooks account and will hold the key to the information we're looking for. Click on this section and you'll be presented with a variety of data related to your account. As you sift through the details under Additional Information, keep an eye out for the number that represents your QuickBooks license. It's essentially your company ID, but is also specifically your license number, indicative of your ownership and access privileges to the software. Here, you'll not only find it displayed visibly on your screen, but also have the chance to verify its correctness at a glance. Once you've located your QuickBooks license number and confirmed it's accurate, you can go ahead and simply copy it. To do this, highlight the number with your cursor, right-click to bring up the options, and select Copy. This action ensures the information is safely stored on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you may need it next, whether that's a support ticket, technical documentation, or just a secure record on your personal files. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the QuickBooks website, accessed the settings, explored the additional information section, and found your QuickBooks license number with relative ease. Always remember to keep your license number secure by storing it in a safe location. This way, you can retrieve it whenever it's most crucial without having to repeat these steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tips and guides.